In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Maps home location. Keeping your home location up to date in Google Maps makes everyday navigation smoother. It helps maps start directions from the right place, gives you accurate commute times, and makes features like home shortcuts work as expected. We'll do this on a computer, and the process only takes a moment. First, open Google Maps on your PC using your preferred web browser. You'll land on the familiar map view. If you use more than one Google account, take a quick glance at the profile icon in the top corner to make sure you're in the account you actually use for maps. That way, the change appears everywhere you're signed in. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the menu and click Saved. This section groups places you've starred, lists you've made, and your labeled places. If your side panel is minimized, just expand it so you can see the Saved option. Inside Saved, click Labeled. This is where Google keeps your special labels like home and work. It's a simple place to manage those key locations that show up across Google services and devices linked to your account. Now, find home in the list and click Edit. You'll see an editing field appear for your home label. If you already had a home set, this is where you'll replace it. If you never set it before, you'll be adding it for the first time. Enter your new home address in the field. As you type, Google Maps will suggest precise matches based on real addresses. Choose the correct one from the suggestions to avoid typos and ensure the pin lands in the right spot. Include details like an apartment or unit number where applicable. After you select the suggested address, Maps updates your home location tied to your account. You should see the change reflected immediately in the labeled section. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Selecting a suggested address is better than free typing because it aligns with Google's database and improves navigation accuracy. Your home label is private to your account. It makes your experience faster, but it isn't publicly visible to others. Once updated on your PC, the new home location will also be used on your phone or tablet when you're signed in with the same account, so your commute shortcuts and time estimates stay consistent. That's it. Your home location is now updated. The next time you tap home in Google Maps, directions will start from or guide you to the correct place, saving you time and avoiding confusion. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother navigation with your new home set.